Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's video we learn German alphabets right from the beginning till the end. You know, German alphabets are as similar as English alphabets. They are written very similar like we write in English. A to Z, 26 alphabets plus we have 4 special characters. We'll see in today's class all the German alphabets with their pronunciation and one example so that you understand how does it written. Now I will start with the first alphabet. You can say A, the sound is A. This is B, B, C, C. So once again A, B, C, D, A, F. Repeat this. A, B, C, D, A, F. F gives the same sound, so I have written dash. Whenever I have written dash, it means it is pronounced the same like we say in English. So with A, there is the alphabet Apfel. Apfel means apple. Apfel. Banane. Banane. Say we have couch. Couch. D means Deutsch. German language is called Deutsch. And Deutschland is Germany. Germany as a country we say Deutschland and German language is called Deutsch. A, elephant. Elephant. F, fish. Same sound as we say in English. Fish. Once again A, B, C, D, A, F. Now we move on. G, gay. Gay. Ha, E, yacht, K, L. Yacht, J gives the sound of Y, year. The alphabet name is yacht and sound is year, like Y. So with G, Ha, E, yacht, K, L. Alright. So with G we have gay. Gay, and then ha, house. House is the same word in English, house, but the spelling is different. House. Then E, okay, E, E, yacht, yogurt. The word is yogurt. Yogurt means yogurt. So remember the sound is Y. Yogurt, okay, remember the sound is yogurt. Then K, cafe. Cafe. L, Liebe. Liebe. Liebe means love. Love. Liebe, sound, look at the sound, Liebe. Okay. So I'll write some alphabets like with G we have guitar, 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 okay, guitar, okay, guitar, play, instrument. G, guitar. Ha, house. E, eagle. Eagle is a bird, okay, eagle, 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 eagle. So once again we repeat G, Ha, E, yacht, K, L. Alright. With G we have guitar, H we have house, we say Ha, and E, eagle, yacht, yogurt, yogurt. Cafe, on L, Liebe. Liebe means love. Move on. Then we have M, N, O, P, Q, R. In German, M it's same, N is same, O is same. P, P, pause. Pause means break. Pause. Q, quiz. It's like in English, quiz. Then we have R, rot, rot, Color name rot. R is pronounced little different, rot. Okay, roll your tongue, rot. Rot means red color. Now I'll erase and write some other alphabets, okay, so that we learn faster. So I hope, is it clear? Once again I repeat, okay, till A to R, then I will clean the board. A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, E, yacht, K, L, then M, N, O, P, Q, R. That's it. S. Okay, S. Sound is same. S. The word is sofa. Sofa. Look at the sound. Z. Buzzing sound. Sofa. The sound is Z. Z. Sofa. Sofa. T. There is an alphabet T and the word is, okay, T means tea. T. T. S. T. And U. 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 U means watch. U. U. Fowl. Vogel. Vogel means bird. Fowl. Now look at the sound. V gives the sound of F. Fowl. Fowl. And the word is vogel. Vogel means bird. Ur. Ur. Okay, we don't pronounce R. Ur means watch. Watch. U. Te means tea. Te. Te. And this S. S. Te. U. Fowl. Now way. X. This is way. Walker means cloud. Walker. The word is walker. Way. This is X. X. Xylophone. Xylophone. And the alphabet is X. Once again, S. Te. U. Fowl. Way. X. X. So here you have to be careful with fowl. Okay. The sound is F. Vogel. Vogel. Alright. Vogel. U. Ur. Ur. Next we have epsilon. Epsilon. Yak. And the word is yak. And it is called epsilon. Look at the name. Epsilon is the name. And then set. Set. Zebra. Zebra. It is called set. Set. The sound is T. So if you are Hindi learner, T. Okay. Epsilon. Set. Epsilon is the name of Y. Epsilon. And Z. Set. But the sound is different. With Z, sound is S. Okay. Set. Okay. Zebra. Not zebra. 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 And with S, the sound is Z. Z, like zofa. Zofa. So reverse the sound. Z take the sound of S and S take the sound of Z. So here this is S sound. Zebra. Zebra. This is now A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut, and this special character looks like beta is also asset. Asset, the same sound like double S. We'll see. A umlaut, case, Käse means cheese. Käse. Eol. Eol means oil. Eol. Eol means oil. And then with U umlaut, 5. 5 number. 5. S set. Fuss. Fuss. S set. The word is S set. Okay. U. 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 And A. So once again, epsilon set. A. This is A, like in English A. A umlaut sounds exactly English A. But without umlaut, A. Okay. With umlaut, these dots are called umlaut. A. Without umlaut, A. Similarly, EO, EO, EU, S set. The word is Käse. Käse means cheese. Käse. O umlaut, Eol, Eol, Eol. U umlaut, 5, 5, 5. S set, Fuss, Fuss means foot, Fuss. So these are all German alphabets. Please watch this video again and you will have very good understanding of German alphabets. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.